Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. This is going to be really weird, but it's like the third video of the day. But I'm going to throw this one up Friday, so it's still the April 25th. It is Thursday, so I'm just, it's like about 8:30 right now. So I just kind of want to show you what progress that we ended up doing today. So I pulled 4, like 1, 2, 3, and that one there. 4 bad pallets out, got rid of them, put the pallets that I had over here in here. This was the wood that I had from that one tree that I had cut down that I showed you in an earlier video. So I got that all stacked over here. So, because tomorrow they're calling for like rain all day long. So I was like, well, let me get a video done now so that I can show you guys earlier in the day before I do my live stream on Friday here. So I said, well, I'll get out here and I still need to get out here, guys, and get all the flags up. That's coming. So this is all the wood here that I split and stacked today. What I did is I put wood underneath them, like basically some scrap wood and actually some what do you call it, bark on the bottom, and then I stacked them up between those two trees, and I started the next row here. So I did, and I split all this with the maul axe. So just and I'll show you down where I was working and stuff like that. But so then you can see I got a couple more of the sticks here so that it's not laying on the ground, because that's when all the crap gets on it. And I just would like to be able to, as we're going to use this wood here, is strictly going to be for the fire pit. So that's why it's here, because then it's right next to the fire pit. And obviously I'll talk about that in a second. But a lot of this wood here, this was really just too punky to do anything with, so I brought it up here. I'll probably just feed that to the fire as we're doing it. But so that's all what that is that I brought out from down below. But so got that. So then the 4 pallets are in here, and then all the other brush that you see here was all stuff that was in through here. Now Eddie came out and he picked all that up for me and put that on there. Now obviously I moved the pallets because they're way heavy. But so all that area is now, basically we're just waiting for Bill to come in and remove the stumps for me. And so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, looks like 9 stumps have to come out. And so he's gonna come down and do that. So down here, and there's still more work to be done down here, and this is where I'll continue next. Like tomorrow's gonna rain, so I got some running I want to do for the chicken coop stuff, so I may do that tomorrow. Those are for Greg, so he'll be coming and taking those at some point. But down here, so first of all, I cleaned out this area over here. So I was really, like I said, I'm just really pleased with the progress that we're making on getting things done. But you can see that like the pieces of the punky wood are still right there. But getting that cleaned out of that area, guys, that's a huge thing for me. It makes me feel better. Getting those, they've been down there, you know, basically since we got up here. So getting to that in the springtime and everything, that's just a freaking blessing. What I did over here, a lot of this, so some of the stuff that was over here, I was able to bring over here to split. So I split that, and so I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 more pieces here that are already cut in half that have to be split. I don't know, like with these ones, I may have to cut those ones again in half one more time before you can think of trying to even pick it up. But so anyway, I'll get these other ones split up. That'll be, you know, like a very soon project that's going to get done. But there's other stuff underneath there that can come out, that can get cleaned up. I don't know what I can do if I can. That one is huge, so I don't know what's going to happen with that yet. But so And then obviously I'll start working on this stuff here. That one big one, there's just no way. My 20-inch bar is not going to go through this one right here. It's just too big. So, but anyway, working on this area, getting things cleaned up before everything, the overgrowth is coming. And the great news is the bugs are back. I was out here this evening again, splitting up a little bit more, and because I had some other running I had to do today as well. But so I came back out and I split up 2 more loads of the wood, and they ended up going up on the top there. And there's Mr. Buddy coming out to see what's going on. But anyway, so like I said, those will be worked on, and then I have back behind here, I still have to get back into there and work on that as well. But overall, guys, it was a productive day. We got some stuff done, and like I said, as long as you're making that dent every day, you're just chipping away at things, it is really truly amazing how fast things get done. And you know, there's other things like Heather actually had called me. She had stayed after today and asked me to come and pick her up from school. And then actually I also did, if you want to go check it out on Marfugal News, I did an interview about my swatting incident today as well, and that was a little over an hour. You know, we had arranged it to do it today, so I had to like stop and do the interview, and it was actually awesome. It really was good. So if you'd like to go over there to Marfugal News and check out that interview, please do. And the cool thing with that too, I give some updated information that I did not give in my video that I did on the swatting that when it happened to me. So I give there's a little nugget, if you will, of information that I held back from you guys the first time. And so there's a bug right there. So that if you go over there and check that out, you'll hear that information. But it was a really good interview, and I'm going to absolutely do some more stuff with her, and do a couple more interviews. She asked me to come in they're doing Medical May, so I told her I would come in and do an interview with that, and then we were also going to be doing an interview on solar. So we're going to be doing all those things. Working on things, you know, and we're continuing the progress here at the homestead. I'll tell you guys, I'm really happy how things have come along, the work we've gotten done, and it's getting there. It really is, and it's a work in progress. It takes time, but while I still can because I'm telling you right now, when everything greens up and starts growing, you guys are going to be like, oh my God, I can't believe it. But it really, if you look at my other videos, everything grows up. The weeds throughout this whole area through here will be waist high, or higher. And so, you know, it's just, my focus has been down here, getting this kind of squared away because that's the road front, and I just want it to look nice. And so we're just working at it, but it's coming together. It's coming along really well. Like I said, I'm really pleased. You can actually see with the clouds, they're darkening up through here, so you know that rain is coming. And like I said, they basically said it's a 97% chance that we're going to have rain tomorrow. So I think it's a pretty good shot that we're going to get some rain. But that's okay. You know, that's what happens. But when you get a day like today, it was, like I said, it was in the 60s. I think we ended up hitting 66 up here, and something in that range. But it was just really, it was a great day to be working. I actually had my shirt off. I did, and you know, just wearing my bandana and just banging away at stuff. So it's a really good feeling. And like I said, progress is always a good thing, and we're getting there. And there's a lot of other things, obviously, that are going to get done this year. And I'm just going to chip away at stuff, guys. That's basically what my philosophy. I kind of really had to reset my mind this year, and I knew that, like, coming into the spring, there was a lot that I wanted to get accomplished. And so I said to myself, just work at it methodically, and it's going to come together, and it's going to happen. And so far, so good. And here we are, you know, we're getting towards the end of April, and we got a lot done. And so like I said, I'm really happy. And you know, I wanted to really, before the real heat onset comes on, because when the heat comes, then you got to get up in the early in the morning and get out and do a couple things while it's still cool. So, and like I said, the bugs are back, so that makes things more fun. Tell them, oh, I was trying to get as much done as I could before the bugs come. So with getting this whole area here cleaned up, like I said, I still need to get up into there and really hit that a little bit more, and I will. And you know, but that's not like I got to do it right away, but that's there, and I'll be able to work on that. But so that's it, guys. So look for me in a live chat tonight. When this video goes up tomorrow, it'll be tonight, meaning Friday night. So look for me in the live chat, and I don't know what the... Oh, I know, we're going to do a topic that's going to be on flat Earth. That's what we kind of decided on. We're going to talk about flat Earth. Is it real? Is it not real? So we're going to do that topic for Friday for the live chat, so I think that should be interesting. And I'm very open to listen to what people have to say. And anybody, you know, so we'll go from there, and we'll talk about it. And anyway, remember, guys, we're all in this together. That's important to remember. Also remember, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So that's important to remember as well. And remember STD, guys. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from getting there is yourself. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. So remember that, and you'll be fine. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope your week is going good. It's almost Friday. Well, now when this video goes up, it will be Friday, but just amazing how fast time flies. So have a great one. I will see you all tomorrow. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.